Once upon a time, a raven sat on a tree branch. It looked at the swan swimming in the lake and thought, "The swan is so white, while I am so black. The swan must be the happiest bird in the world." The raven flew down to the lake and said to the swan, "Oh, you are so beautiful and graceful. I wish I could be like you. I have this stupid black feather. I wish I had a beautiful white feather like you. I'm sure you are the happiest bird in the world." The swan replied, "I thought I was the happiest bird until I saw the parrot. The parrot has beautiful colors, red, blue, and green. While I have only one color, I wish I had beautiful multicolored feathers like the parrot. I'm sure the parrot is the happiest bird in the world." The raven said, "Well, if you want to be happy, you should talk to the parrot. I saw a peacock in the zoo. Hundreds of people come to see the peacock every day. They say the peacock is the most beautiful bird because of its colorful tail feathers. I wish I had such beautiful feathers. I'm sure the peacock is the happiest bird in the world." So the raven went to the parrot. The parrot said, "I lived happily until I saw the peacock. The peacock is admired by everyone for its beauty. I am nothing compared to him. I wish I could be like the peacock. I'm sure the peacock is the happiest bird in the world." The raven went to the peacock in the zoo. It was true. Hundreds of people gathered every day to admire the peacock. The raven thought, "The peacock must be the happiest bird alive." But when the raven spoke to the peacock sighed and said, "My beauty has trapped me here. Because of my looks, I am locked in this zoo. I've observed that the only bird not caged is the raven. So I think you must be the happiest bird of all." The raven was stunned. All this time, the raven had been comparing itself to other birds and their fancy feathers, while it was actually the only bird that was free. The raven realized that it was happy, but the more it tried to be like others, the more miserable it became. From that day on, the raven stopped comparing and started living happily. And that's the story, friends. The moral of the story is, don't compare yourself with others. Everyone has their own strengths, their own challenges, and their own blessings. What you have may be the very thing someone else is praying for. And always remember, it's not our duty to be the best, but to be our best. Thank you for watching. See you next time.